It's 11 o'clock at night, and it has been snowing all day. It's still snowing. The flakes have been really tiny, small and fine. And pretty consistently snowing all day. Shoveled the walkway several times. I'm not quite sure where where the stairs are anymore. Let's see. They're here somewhere. Oh, step down. Woo. Okay. Whoa. Let's see. So yeah, feels like almost another foot of snow has come down since we shoveled. Hi guys. Careful where I walk. Doom. I feel like the abominable snowman here. Let's see. Whoa. Oh, there we are. Let's take a walk out back. Yeah, I'm going to shovel that in a few minutes. Let's see what we got out back here. Hopefully there's no animals out here. Hi guys. I love shadows. Alright, I don't know where the ground is. Let's see. I don't want to find a big hole, do I? Alright, hold on. Alright, sorry about the camera angle. Whoa. I think I'm on the path. I'm not sure. Alright, yeah. Okay. Wow. Whew. At least it's not windy. Pretty cold out though. Let's see what we got over here. Yeah, look at the table over there. I don't know if I can zoom in. Let's see. Yeah, quite a bit of snow on it. Yeah. Looks like a good foot and a half of snow on that roof over there. I don't think we have a roof shovel. Those come in handy. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. Ooh, I hear something howling out there. Wow. Oh, hi again, guys. Hi. Hello. It's a very fluffy snow. Yeah. Very light, easy to move, which is nice because shoveling. Look at all this mess. Oh. Yep. Ooh, it's starting to come. It's a little windy right now. Oh. I think I'm gonna go shovel that walkway. Yeah, so good foot and a half of snow anyway, if not more. I mean, I don't know though. Look at that table over there. I should go get my measurements. Oh, shoot, was I not? I had a mishap with the camera just now, so I don't know if I don't know until I go in and look at this whether I was really filming or not. Alright, yeah, I think that, I don't know, what do we got here? Yeah, I wish I had brought my measuring stick out with me. Let's see what we got here. I mean, oh yeah, I was thinking there's something on this table. No, that's, woof, actually, yeah, huh. We got it. Ooh, we got quite a bit of snow. 2 feet of snow. Anyway. Huh, I'm going to measure it. Yep. Alright, Let's walk in the dark here. Don't want to fall in a hole. That wouldn't be good. I think I'm on a path. I think I'm on the path. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little after 11 o'clock at night. Still coming down. It's Sunday night. Patriots won. Woohoo! Ooh, sticky right there. Wow. Look at all this snow, huh? Wow. It's actually peaceful out though, guys. It's quiet here. Very peaceful. Very peaceful. Very quiet. Yeah, I'd say we have a couple of inches of snow. I mean, a couple feet of snow out here anyway. Yeah. Yeah, I shoveled this a few hours ago. And we got almost a whole other. Yeah, this is pretty deep. Another foot since I shoveled. Alright, well, I'm going to shovel this walkway. I hope wherever you guys are, you're all warm and cozy. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.